Welcome back, focused learners, to another explainer. So today, we're tackling a highly anticipated topic that is genuinely going to streamline your daily workflow. We're looking at exactly how to integrate Gmail with Claude Cowork. If you've been searching for a way to manage your communications directly inside your AI workspace, and you just want to stop the endless clicking around your desktop, well, you are in the exact right place. We're going to break down the setup process step by step. Because let's be real, the ultimate productivity dream is managing your email without ever opening a new browser tab. We all know the absolute drag of bouncing back and forth between your AI assistant and your inbox. You open a new tab to check one quick email, and suddenly you're distracted by 5 other things, right? Well, this integration completely eliminates that context switching. You get to manage your email right where you're already working.
Okay, let's dive right into Section 1, Claude's most popular connector. Why even connect Gmail in the first place?
Well, before we get into the nitty-gritty how-to, it's pretty amazing to realize that out of all the possible tools, databases, and apps you can link to your workspace, Gmail is the absolute #1 most popular connector in the entire Claude Cowork ecosystem. That tells us right away that this isn't just some neat little novelty feature. It's literally the primary way power users are supercharging their daily setup. And the reason it holds that top spot really comes down to what it can actually do for you. Once you're plugged in, you can just ask Claude to search your inbox for that elusive attachment you can't seem to track down. You can have it check if a specific client has finally replied to an email you sent out last week. You can even have it draft full contextual responses based on an ongoing thread. It basically turns your AI assistant into a highly keepable executive assistant who already has the secure keys to your inbox.
All right, moving seamlessly into Section 2, the step-by-step setup.
Now don't worry, this isn't some crazy hour-long IT project. It's actually a super brief, highly satisfying journey from being completely disconnected to fully empowered. First, just head directly to your connector settings. Second, click that little plus icon and select Browse Connectors. Third, find Gmail in the list, and as a quick tip, it's usually sitting right near the top anyway because it's so popular, and simply click the plus icon next to it. Boom, boom, boom. 3 quick actions and you've already found and selected your target. Let's move to the next part and see how this builds into the authentication phase. A little window pops up on your screen saying Connect Claude to Gmail. Just hit Continue. Next up, you'll see a standard Google sign-in where you just pick the specific Gmail account you want to connect, give the permissions a quick review, hit Continue one more time, and finally, click Open Claude. And honestly, that's it. The whole shebang is fully active. 7 simple clicks from start to finish. So the crucial point here is that permission to read emails, manage drafts. I want to pause for a sec because when you hit that screen during the setup we just covered, these are exactly the standard permissions you're granting. Yeah, it might sound a bit formal, but it's exactly what lets Claude actually see the emails you're searching for and draft up those slick responses for you. You're basically just handing it the specific tools it needs to do the heavy lifting on your behalf. Which brings us nicely to Section 3, your new automated workflow. Now that the configuration is totally complete, you get an immediate visual confirmation. Right after clicking Open Claude, Gmail is officially sitting right there in your active web connectors list. It's a tiny UI change on your screen, but man, it represents a massive upgrade in your workspace's capability. You've now got a direct, secure pipeline established between your AI and your communications, giving you these automated results you just get to sit back and enjoy. And honestly, here is the true magic of this integration. The very next time you type out a prompt that involves email, you don't have to push a special button or toggle a complex switch. Claude just automatically knows to check Gmail. It uses its built-in context to go, oh hey, they're asking about an email, let me route this query straight through our new Gmail connection. It handles all the back-end logic completely behind the scenes, so you can just type exactly as you normally would.